Hey everyone, Steven here from Revo Designs. One common challenge I often come across among new and existing Shopify store owners is their need for guidance and assistance. Whether you have pressing questions that need answering before launching your store, or you're just encountering roadblocks while designing your site, or both, I am here to help you. From store setup design to optimization, menus, navigation, product sourcing, dropshipping, app integrations, conversion optimization, administrative settings, and even a general wellness check to make sure you're fully prepared to start selling, I have got you covered. If you need any assistance with any of those topics or something similar, I'm just a booking away. During our consultation, I will be more than happy to hop on a screen share call with you where I can also record and send you the meeting afterwards, along with a detailed meeting recap. Together, we will navigate through challenges you're facing and find effective solutions. As a certified Shopify expert since 2013, I have extensive experience supporting store owners just like you. So why wait any longer? You made it here because, well, you needed help, and that's okay because sometimes a little guidance can make all the difference. So take action now, book a call with me to get started on making your new Shopify store live ready. Talk with you soon.